about properties of determinants. So I have listed some properties of determinants. So what are those? The first one is, for every square matrix A determinant of A which is equal to determinant of A transpose. The second one is, if any two rows of a square matrix are identical, then its determinant is equal to 0. Similarly, third one, if a square matrix has a 0 row or 0 column, then its determinant is equal to 0. So fourth one, if any one row or a column of a square matrix is k times of the other row or a column, then its determinant is equal to 0. So fifth one, if A and B are a square matrix of the same order, then the determinant of AB is equal to determinant of A into determinant of B. Sixth one, if A is a triangular matrix of an order n, upper or lower triangular matrix, then its determinant A is equal to multiple of the diagonal elements. And the last one, A is a square matrix order n, and let B be a matrix obtained from A by interchanging any two rows or an A column, then its determinant A is equal to negative of the determinant of matrix A. And we will discuss one by one in details with an example. So first consider first one. So for every square matrix, determinant of A which is equal to determinant of A transpose. Just I consider one matrix here, a 3 cross 3 matrix. It should be a square matrix. Square matrix means 2 cross 2 or 3 cross 3 or 4 cross 4. Just I consider a 3 cross 3 a square matrix A 1 2 1 1 3 2 1 4 5 etc. So consider this is a matrix. So what is the property says that for every square matrix A, determinant of A which is equal to determinant of A transpose. First calculate a determinant of A, then calculate a determinant of A transpose, both should be equal. First I calculate a determinant of A, calculate this one. So 1 into 15 minus 4 to the 8 minus 2 5 minus 2 plus 1 times 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3. Now calculate this. So 15 minus 8 is 7 minus 3 into 2 6 plus 4 minus 1 is 1. So what is the value both here? 7 plus 1 8, 8 minus 6 is 2. So this is the determinant of matrix A. Then we have calculated this thing. Now we need to calculate a determinant of A transpose. First we need to write A transpose. How will write the A transpose by A? By transferring a row into column or column into row. Now just I consider A transpose which is equal to, I converting here a row into a column. So first here 1 2 1. So consider a second row and write as a second column 1 3 2, and the third one 1 4 5. Consider 1 4 5. So this is an A transpose. Now calculate a determinant of this. That should be equal to determinant of A as per the properties. Just calculate this determinant of this. So 1 into 15 minus 8 minus 1 into 10 minus 4 plus 1 into 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3. Now look at here. 15 minus 8, 7 minus, so 10 minus 4, 6, 6 into 1 is 6, 7 minus 6 and 4 minus 3 is 1. So 7 plus 1 8, 8 minus 6 is 2. So this is A transpose, a determinant of A transpose. So look at this. So this is the determinant of A and this is the determinant of A transpose. Both are same, both are equal. It says that for every square matrix A determinant of A which is equal to determinant of A transpose. Next, I consider the second one. Now first one is okay, fine. Consider the second one. If any two rows of a square matrix are identical, then its determinant is equal to 0. Just I write once again. If any two rows or columns, if any two rows or columns of a square matrix are identical, then its determinant A is equal to 0. Just I consider a matrix here, a 3 cross 3 matrix. So 1, 2, 3. Any two rows of a square matrix are identical. So here 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 4. So I consider a matrix here. In this matrix, the first row and second row are same. But what the property says that if any two rows of a square matrix are identical, then its determinant is equal to 0. So if you calculate its determinant, you should get 0. Then only it satisfies that property. Okay, look at calculate the determinant for this a matrix A. So 1 into 8 minus 9. So minus 2, 4 minus 3. So plus 3, 3 minus 2. So here 8 minus 9 is minus 1. Minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. So here a minus 2, 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay, plus, so 3 minus 2 is 1. So 1 into 3 is 3. So here minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 plus 3 becomes a 0. So what it says that this property holds good. What is the second property? Says that if any two rows or any columns of a square matrix are identical, then its determinant A is equal to 0. So in these matrices, the first row and second row are same, are identical. So that's why we got its determinant is equal to 0. So this is all about property second. Now I consider a third property. If a square matrix has 0 rows or 0 columns, if a square matrix has a 0 rows or a 0 columns, then its determinant is equal to 0. What is the meaning of that 0 rows and 0 columns means? The entire row should be a 0. Just I consider that an example. Consider a matrix A 3 cross 3 matrix 2, 5, 6, 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. See here. I consider a matrix which has a 0 row. The second row entire elements are 0. So this kind of matrix is called as a 0 rows. Or you can consider a 0 columns like this. So this is a 0 columns matrices. Correct. So what is the property say that if a square matrix has a 0 row or a 0 column, then its determinant A is equal to 0. Now calculate determinant for this, you should get 0. Then only it satisfies the properties. Okay, we look at it. Just calculate the determinant for this a matrix A, which is equal to a 2 into 0 into 3 is nothing like 0, minus 2 into 0 is 0. So minus 5, 0 into 3 is 0, 1 into 0 is 0, plus 6 times. So 0 into 2 is 0, minus 1 into 0 is 0. See here. So what is the answer? So 0, 0, 0, 0. So final answer is 0. So what is the property says that if a square matrix has 0 rows or a 0 column, then its determinant A is equal to 0. So here you got a 0. Here second row is completely 0. And third property is also holds good. Now we will go through fourth one. So what is the fourth property says? If one row or column of a square matrix is k times of some other row or a column, then its determinant A is equal to 0. Just I read once again. So if one row or a column of a square matrix is k times of some other row or a column, then its determinant A is equal to 0. Just I will consider a matrix like this. Consider this is a matrix A. 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 6, 1, 2, 1. So consider this is a matrix, correct? It satisfies these properties. If any one row or a column of a square matrix is k times of some other row or a column, then its determinant is equal to 0. Now here just I compare first row and second row. Second row is 2 times of the first one. So 1 into 2 is 2, 2 into 2 is 4, and 3 into 2 is 6. Here a second row is a 2 times of a first row, correct? So second row is k times. What is the value of k? 2. Okay, k times of the first row. Then its determinant a is equal to. Then its determinant is equal to 0. Now calculate the determinant. It should be equal to 0. Now calculate the determinant for this. So 1 into 4 into 1 is 4 minus 12. Consider the second one minus 2. So 2 into 1 is 2 minus 6 plus 3 into 4 minus 4. Now calculate this. 1 into 4 minus 12 is minus 8. Okay, minus 2 keep as it is, and 2 minus 6 is minus 4. Okay, plus 3 into 4 minus 4 is 0. So what is the value here? So this is a minus 8, minus into minus plus 8 plus 0. So answer is 0. So what it says that this condition is satisfied. What is that properties? That if any row or a column of a square matrix is k times of the other row or a column, then its determinant is equal to 0. In this matrices, the second row is 2 times of the first row, hence you got its determinant is equal to 0. So this property is also holds good. Next, consider a next property. Consider this one. If A and B are a square matrix of a same order, then a determinant of AB which is equal to a determinant of A into determinant of B. Now, just I consider here A and B here two matrices, square matrices 1, 2, 2, 3. Okay, just I consider here 2 cross 2. Similarly, consider a B. So B is 2, 3, 4, 6. Yeah. So what it says that if A and B are a square matrix of same order, then a determinant of AB, okay, determinant of AB which is equal to determinant of A into determinant of B. Now first calculate AB, then calculate its determinant and calculate a determinant individually. Then equate both and you get the same answer. Okay, we'll verify that. First calculate an AB, A into B. A into B, it is a 2 cross 2 matrix. So this is also a 2 cross 2 matrices. Then what you get here? A 2 cross 2 only. Okay, fine. So here first row, first column. So 1 into 2 is 2. Okay, 2 plus 8. Okay, 2 plus 8 is 10. Second is similarly 1 into 3 is 3. 3 plus 12. 3 plus 12 is 15. So consider this one. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 plus 12. 4 plus 12 is 16. 4 plus 12 is 16. Then last one. 2 into 6. 6 plus 18. 6 plus 18 is 24. So now calculate its determinant. Calculate its determinant. Yeah. So 240 minus 16 into 15. So this is a determinant of AB. Determinant of AB which is equal to 240 minus, so what is the value of this one? 15, 6 is 99, 15 1 is 15. Okay, 15 1 is 15, 15 plus 9. 15 plus 9, 24. 15, 6 is 99. Okay, 15 1 is 15, 15, 24. So this is a 24. What is the next one? Okay, its determinant is equal to 0. Now calculate an individual determinants. We calculate individual determinants. First calculate a determinants of A. So how we calculate determinants of A? So 3 into 1, 3. 3 minus 4. Okay, 3 minus 4. What is the value of? Minus 1. So this is the determinant of A. Similarly, calculate a determinant of B. Okay, determinant of B. So 12 minus 12. Okay, 12 minus 12. What is the value? So determinant of B is equal to 0. Now what is the property says that a determinant of AB is equal to determinant of A into determinant of B. So what is the value of determinant of AB? What we have calculated? We got a 0 here. 0 which is equal to determinant of A, how much you got here? Minus 1 into determinant of B is 0. So 0 is equal to 0. So it indicates that this properties holds good. What is the property says? If A and B are a square matrix of same order, then determinants of AB which is equal to determinants of A into determinants of B. Then, okay, consider the next one. If A is a triangular matrix of order n, upper or lower, then its determinant is equal to multiplications of the diagonal elements. So, just I consider here upper triangular matrix. So, consider matrix A, upper triangular 1 0 0, okay, 2 3 0, 1 2 1. Here. So this is a upper triangular matrices what I consider here. Then what is that property says that for this kind of matrices, the determinant of A which is equal to multiplication of the diagonal elements here. So what are the diagonal elements here? 1 into 3 into 1, correct? So 1 into 3 is 3, 3 into 1 is again 3, you should get 3, correct? Now I calculate the determinant of this. First calculate the determinant for this. So 1 into 3 minus 0, so minus 0, 2 minus 0 plus 0 into anything is a 0. So what you get here? 3 minus 0 is 3. So 0 into anything is 0 and 0. So what is that determinant of this? A determinant is equal to 3. Now what is the property says? If A is a triangular matrix of order n, upper or lower, then its determinant A is equal to diagonal multiplications of the diagonal elements. So here, multiply 1 into 3 into 1. 1 into 3 is 3, 3 into 1 is 3. So what you got here? Determinant 3. So it indicates that this property is also holds good.